I said either behind me or in front of, like, so I don't care, but yeah, you just need to have 2 seats between you and the next person.
It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city.
I don't have my phone, so I don't know if they're ready or not.
Flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know.
Do you know if Miss Cordero's coming in here or she's supervising a class? Okay. No, I think we're gonna go ahead and just get started. All right, you guys, go ahead and let's go. Yep, we are going to start.
All right, thank you guys for coming out. We are doing our little opening assembly for Hearts of Gold. Let's get into it. So Hearts of Gold is a charity fundraiser program that ELA works on and is partnership with Harriman High School. Every year, Harriman High School chooses a local charity we need to help in the month of December for raising as much money as possible. This way our money is going to help our community. So yeah, let's go to the charity that we're going to be helping.
Guys, the charity for this year is, can I get a drum roll? Angels Hands Foundation. It is helping Utah families with rare diseases. And we will go to the video now.
Kevin, hey guys, how are you? Little family shot in there. There we go. There we go. Got to get everybody. Awesome.
How dare you? How exciting! I want to see Santa. Get your picture. Charlie.
Trey, clap your hands, bud. Clap your hands if you're excited. Clap your hands, bud.
Just scream.
Just screaming. He was screaming in the car too.
Are you excited? Clap your hands.
Yeah.
All right, so that was just explaining and showing that unlike last year where we helped individual families, we will be helping all these kids and what their diseases are, and they need your love and support. So yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Here are some of the events for the fundraising. We will do class competition, jukebox at lunch, Hearts of Gold swag and merch. We will do flowers for families, a Super Smash Bros. Tournament, Spirit Days, and a class hat jack.
For the class competitions this year, classes will compete for the most donations. There'll be a progress wall in the cafeteria if you had one last year, where you can see who has in the lead, donated the most money so far. Every $10 your class brings will add a heart to your wall. The more money our school gets, the more awards and dares the teachers have to do. So 500 Sparks and teachers will do a TikTok dance. For 1,000, pie in the face. For 1,500, Elf Pasta Challenge. For 2,000, leading class gets a silly string fight. For 3,000, Smack and Admin Eater to Wear It Challenge. 4,000, teacher hair color change. 5,000, men teachers wax a leg. 6,000, leading class gets to help with announcements for 2 weeks. Surprise reward. For 7,000, teacher dunk tape. For 8,000, Smack president cuts off his mullet.
Okay, so for jukebox, during lunch there will be a box office, and students will be able to request a song they want for $1, and if another student doesn't like that song, they can pay $2 to stop it, and then you can start a new song for another $1. So that'll be fun. During lunch, you'll be able to pay money for special Hearts of Gold spirit wear. Merch will be available at the jukebox table.
Flowers for families. So Smack will take orders to be delivered to your friends and crushes. You can add a personalized message or leave it as a mystery. You can order a single flower or a bouquet. And then flowers will be delivered during A1 on December 14th and 15th, and flowers are $2 each.
Elsie, tell them about the...
So your teachers will give you this, and you just write who you want it to be delivered to and your name, and yeah, this is.
So Pride teachers, you've been given those flyers. Please go ahead and hand those out to anyone who is interested right now. And will somebody from SMAC hand these out to my people who are here? Who wants one right now?
Like we mentioned, there will be a Smash tournament. To participate, you need to pay $3. And you'll win eternal glory and bragging rights. Sign up Monday and Tuesday and compete this Wednesday and Thursday during an exclusive prize that you just sign up for. This is a bring your own controller due to COVID safety reasons. So we also have these flyers too, and Pride teachers, you have them. We will be doing several spirit days for a whole entire week. You need to buy wristbands to participate in these special days. You can pay $2 per day if you pay a week before. However, it's $3 if you buy it on this spirit day. You can buy these wristbands from the table outside the cafeteria before or after school, starting Wednesday. We will be doing a blackout day, a twin day, a backwards day, and a pajama day for this week.
All right, so for class hijack, we're going to be doing, before the bell, we're going to be stacking up money on classes' desks, like the teacher's desk. And then for how many dollars you earn, we're going to be stalling that class for, say you got $1, that'd be stalled for 1 minute. And then for the elementary, we're going to be doing the same thing, except for we're going to be adding minutes to recess. All right, and then this is just the dates for all of the things that we just stated. Thank you guys for joining the Zoom, and thank you Pride classes for coming live, and we hope to have you guys participate and do everything on the calendar and all those fun activities. Thank you so much.